What kind of feelings does the colour yellow evoke in you? G'day, I'm Aussie Tobes, and today we're going to be talking about yellow paint colour. Today I am filming from our daughter's bedroom, which happens to be yellow. So I'm going to tell you a couple of tips on yellow paint colour. Does it work for you or not? If you like my content, please like and subscribe. Alright, so is yellow paint colour the right colour for you? Well, to answer that question for you, I think everyone could probably have a yellow room in their house. I really like this colour and it's come out really well in our daughter's room. The colour I chose was British Paint's Yellow Mania. It's a great colour. It's not buttery and it's not too primary and it doesn't go into, that sort of orange colour, that sort of pumpkin-y yellow, not mustard. I was going to say the word pumpkin yellow. I think you might know what I mean. I find that colour doesn't work very well, but at least this colour, which is just slightly off from the primary, works really, really well. Another thing, if you don't like this type of yellow, I'd recommend maybe looking at some of the butter yellows. The thing that people love about our daughter's bedroom is, yes, it's our daughter's bedroom and everything, but when you walk into it, doesn't matter what time of the day it is, whether it's morning, noon, night, lights are on, lights are off, it doesn't matter. It is an excellent room because everyone feels so happy. This colour makes everyone feel happy regardless of what time of the day it is. And I just love that about this room. It's just so happy. We find that we get so many compliments about the room. I will be giving you a tour of my daughter's room soon. I just gotta, probably needs a little bit more styling, but yeah, we'll get there. But anyway, so I would say try yellow. It's a happy colour. It is so happy. I have friends who just go, oh, I can't stand this room. You find a lot of the people who say that they don't like yellow as a room colour, whether it's a bedroom or a lounge room or whatever. There's this cool mindset where people are like, I don't like spiders. Why not? Because I just don't. And I'm like, okay. All right, fair enough. Like, maybe you did have a bad experience with a spider. But then there's also the people who are like, I don't like cats. It's usually young men. Oh, I don't like cats. And unfortunately, yellow paint falls into one of like those types of people. I don't like spiders. I don't like cats. I don't like yellow paint. I would recommend do it. Try it. Try the British Paint's Yellow Mania. Get a pot and try it. Put the sample on your wall and try it. You'll be surprised. Tip though. Don't do what I did. I didn't listen to the gentleman who sold me the paint. And I couldn't believe I didn't even think of this, but I'd never done this type of yellow before. I'd done yellow in other houses, like for clients and stuff. But I put yellow directly on grey, which is a massive no. You need to have an undercoat, like a white undercoat, before you can put it on. It's like yellow is, and I'm like, I've got this. I'm interior designer. I can do whatever. I can do whatever. Like that's my attitude. I was like, yeah, I got this. I've painted over everything. And yeah, I learnt my lesson. So when you do an undercoat, if you're going from grey to yellow, please put a white undercoat on. Okay. Anyway, I hope you like the content for this video. Please like and subscribe. Leave your comments below. It's quite funny actually. In one of our other videos, I think I said, write your comments below. Anyway, I look forward to seeing you soon and take care.